Filipina Desert Gardener's garden is we are winterizing and protecting plants because it's like 40 something degrees right now in the desert, which is like totally unheard of, but I guess global warming is a reality for us. But nonetheless, we are protecting our different trees. This is a grapefruit. And then we got avocado. See, they're young. When they get older, they'll be okay, I guess. But when they're young like this, we gotta protect them. So we gotta do the kumquat that's over here, and then we come over here to the Filipina Desert Gardener, who we're trying to protect the banana plant. See, look at this banana plant in the desert. Unreal. Say hi. And then we gotta go over here and do the lime. See the lime? It's got little bitty things. Was on here, but they fell off, I guess. I don't know. All right, so that's what we're doing. We're winterizing the trees, the fruit